Hey everyone! Today we're focusing on the latest addition to the MG4 lineup, the all-new MG4 EV Urban. The UK prices for this specific version have just been revealed, and it's positioned as the most accessible entry point in the range. While the standard 2026 MG4 EV focuses on major technology and interior quality upgrades, the MG4 Urban is designed to make EV ownership even more affordable for families, offering class-leading space and practicality. You might have already seen some images of this model during its Euro NCAP crash tests, which gave us an early look at its build. Even as the budget-friendly sibling, the MG4 Urban remains a distinctively styled hatchback that maintains the brand's reputation for driving engagement. In terms of capability, while the Urban focuses on value, the wider range now offers up to 338 miles of range on the extended model. To put that in perspective, 338 miles is approximately 544 kilometers. Now, let's break down the UK pricing for the MG4 Urban. The Comfort standard range starts at an impressive £23,495, which is approximately €28,150. The Comfort long range is priced at £25,595, which is approximately €30,550. The top-tier Urban trim, the Premium long range, comes in at £27,995, which is approximately €33,350. For comparison, this keeps the Urban significantly below the 2026 MG4 EV Premium long range, which starts at £29,995.